making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, yeah. Things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Seeds Inspirations. My name is Sydney and welcome to Things We Are Making Thursday. So if you have not seen what Things We Are Making Thursday, this is an open collaboration for anybody who is wanting to participate, whether you are a content creator or a non-content creator. And this collaboration started back in January with some awesome content creators who have came up with the idea of finding a new pattern to work on each month of this year, which is 2023. Now, you do not have to participate each month. You can come in for 1 month if you just only want to participate for that month, or you can back out and then come back in a few months if you see something that you like. It's a very, very relaxed collaboration, nothing too strict. The only thing that they do ask is if you are a content creator, do not reveal the new pattern until the end or that following month. So yeah, it's really, really relaxed. It's a lot of fun. Some wonderful ladies who are willing to help you. Yeah, so everybody's links will be down in the description box for you guys, along with the Facebook page if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or even want to just share your progress for that month or the previous months. That's another thing is you don't have to exactly work on that pattern if you want to join in that you didn't join in previous months. You can work on past months patterns as well, and then you will be also added into the collaboration. So yeah, nothing too strict. So this month, I think I got everything down as far as just information, overall basic information that you might need. You can email myself or email anybody else who is in the collaboration if you do want to participate, have any questions, or even just want to share your progress as well if you don't do Facebook. So this month's pattern was Gary the Giraffe. Last week I shared with you guys that I had got the body completed and just needed to stuff the neck. So I have gotten the whole body fully completed, fully stuffed as well. So this week I decided to go ahead and work on the head as much as I could. And I did get the head done. I was hoping to get the horns and the ears already sewn on, but time kind of slipped away from me this week. So I did overall get the majority of the head completed. Now I did put my own twist to the head. The pattern actually, the safety eyes just lay flat on the head. But a few years ago, I found a technique working on a different amigurumi of actually putting in or sewing in a strand of yarn and then weaving them in between stitches and then tie them together to kind of close it up to give it like a little bit more definition for the eyes. So I did take my own little spin on the pattern, and I am using cotton yarn. The pattern actually calls for like a velvet or a plushy yarn, but as you've probably heard me talk in the past, or if you haven't heard me talk in the past, I don't care for chunky yarns. I don't care for the plushy yarns, blanket yarns, stuff like that. So that's why I decided to go ahead and go with a worsted weight yarn, which is the 100% cotton peaches and cream that you can find at your local Walmart. And I'm using a gold color. And then I'm also using like a dark brown color as well. So that's all the progress that I have made on my amigurumi this week. Again, all the links will be down in the description box. Go check out everybody else who is participating. And if you want to join in as well, please feel free to do that. Email me, email anybody else. or even put down a comment. And if you don't feel comfortable reaching out to me, I'll reach out to you. Or if you just have any overall questions, feel free to do that as well. But I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time.